This video demonstrates how to use customer statements and collection notes on the Maxio platform. This will improve accounts receivable management by tracking unpaid invoices, assessing payment risks, streamlining collections, and enhancing cash flow. In this video, we'll explore how to effectively utilize customer statements and collection notes to enhance your cash flow and streamline your collection efforts. Let's get started. A customer statement is a crucial tool in AR management. It provides a concise summary of all unpaid invoices for a customer up until a specific point in time. This helps both businesses and customers keep track of what is owed. From the customer level, hover over the Invoices drop-down menu and select Generate Statement. Ensure the email address is correct, and feel free to add any personalized messages or necessary attachments. Statements can also be generated at the contract level when you need to separate invoices due by contract. Customizing your statements is simple with our e-invoicing theme editor. The theme for statements is set at the customer level, but you also have the option to use a different theme when manually sending a customer or contract statement. You can automate the generation and sending of statements to your customers and contracts. When setting up this automation, you can choose a schedule that fits your business needs, ensuring regular and timely updates for your customers. You can also select the statement theme, message, subject, and body content of the email. It is important to note that this feature is separate from the cadences, but can, with the right configuration, work in tandem with that process. Collection notes are essential for understanding the reasons behind unpaid invoices. They allow you to add detailed notes and classify each invoice by risk level, providing valuable context for your collection strategy. To add a collection note, go to the invoice needing attention and select Add Note from the Collection Notes drop-down. You can include how the collection note was received, the payment risk, the date for promised payment, the date for follow-ups, and any additional context you wish to provide. Once a collection note has been created, it will be visible in the invoice summary, helping guide any necessary follow-ups. Maxio calculates the risk for each invoice, which appears as Calculated Risk. Prioritize high-risk invoices by using collection notes to modify the payment risk as you work to collect payment on those invoices. If the invoice remains unpaid, Maxio will automatically change the payment risk back to the calculated risk. You can modify the high-risk threshold under the collections and dunning settings. The base for the risk can be determined by either the due date or invoice date, and you can see the number of days past due for the invoice to be considered high risk of non-payment. Customer statements and collection notes on the Maxio platform can significantly enhance your accounts receivable processes, improving efficiency and customer relations. Implement these tools to maintain a healthy cash flow and reduce collection times.